but please, we would love you to take your seat, because the more you keep me here, the more money I make. So if you want to keep chatting till the end of the evening, I'm very ready to be here till 2 a.m. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to be here tonight. It's a privilege I don't take for granted. You know, someone asked me yesterday at the Citadel Church, because they had a Valentine party there, and he said, Sam, I've seen you in more than 10 events this year already. And I said, are you counting? And the lady said, yes, I'm counting. And he said, so what happens? Like, how do you get so many events? I said, I know so many good people. And these good people always put my name in the mix. My name is Sam Precious. I'm a master of ceremony. I'm a public speaker. I'm a comedian. I'm an event manager. And I hope that after tonight, if you've not met me before, you would never forget me in a hurry. So ladies and gentlemen, look at the person seated close to you and say, neighbor. Say neighbor. See, in case you don't know, I'm a worry boy. And I dey quick verse. So when I say look at your neighbor and say neighbor and you don't say anything, now you say you want to make a verse. Now look at the person by your side and say neighbor, you look wonderful. When we talk, oh my God, I did not say you should clean his face now. I don't know why women always do this. I said look at your neighbor and say you look wonderful. He's pulling the beards. Look at the person by your side and say neighbor, you look wonderful. Say neighbor, you look take away. Look at the person very well. Say neighbor, after tonight, your life will never remain the same again. Now look at another person for the last time and say, neighbor, I'm begging you, please tonight, enjoy yourself. If it's your husband sitting close to you, tell him very well, say, neighbor, I'm begging you. Or now look your wife now, why are you looking at me? Say, enjoy yourself. Relax your mind. Now, for the last time, say, neighbor, problem not the finish. So tonight, forget about your mortgage and enjoy yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been told that, is it cocktail now? President, Madam President, is it cocktail or is it cocktail? It's cocktail hour. The DJ is going to play a song for 3 minutes, and I'm going to go table by table because of decorum. Just grab something from the table, and you can. I like this table. They've already done that already. Thank you very much. Yes, you can go ahead. DJ L, give me something soft. Cocktail hour quickly. I want to do that in 3 minutes. Yes, can you take it? This table has done that. Thank you. Cocktail hour. Just go back and grab something from the table. Thank you very much, sir. You've done that. Excellent. 2 minutes. Yes, Daddy. At the back. Excellent. Cocktail hour. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. DJ L is in the building with me tonight. And one of Calgary's finest. Thank you very much. Cocktail hour, sir. Yes. Thank you very much. Some women are telling their men, honey, sit down, I will bring for you, don't worry. I like women like that. Some men are the one going, sir, cocktail hour, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, sir. 1 minute. Just grab that, come back to your seat, because I'm going to be going as quickly as possible tonight. Thank you very much, Madam President. It's a privilege I don't take for granted. Oh my God. DJ L in the building. Slim time, cocktail hour for you. Thank you very much. 1 more minute. Thank you very much. Please, let's make our way back to our seats as we continue the event tonight. Table 4 is right here on my right-hand side, the last table on my right. Thank you. DJL, bring it down. Bring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't mind, can we all please take our seat? So the only person I want standing is the DJ, myself, and the servers. If you are not a server, you are not the DJ, you are not the MC, please be seated. Thank you. Please be seated. Please be seated. Please be seated. If you are not a server, you are not the DJ, and you are not the hall manager trying to set the temperature of the room and work on the projector, if you are not doing any of those, please be seated. Can we all be seated? Thank you. I see my colleague at the back, one of Calgary's great MC. Thank you so much, madam. Please take your seat. Now, attention please. I have been given 3 special gifts. One house. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. I have 3 special gifts tonight, and I have been told that the winners of the games will win those gifts. So please whisper to your husband to get ready for the game, because it's couples game. It's very, very crucial. Number 2, please and please, as I'm speaking right now, you can all hear me. Am I correct? This is how I always try to manage my audience. I've done this for about 17 years. And one of the good things about Africa, if you're clapping, clap very well. Yeah, you clapping, madam. I was feeling